If you haven't noticed already, short form video is one of the hottest types of content right now. This type of content is sweeping across all of the social media platforms. What started as TikTok has now formed into Reels on Instagram and Facebook, and even Shorts on YouTube. I don't know about you, but they are so addictive, and I often find myself getting sucked into that never-ending reel hole. With addictive new content types like Shorts, Reels, and TikToks, brings huge amounts of attention, and that's why these should be considered in your overall marketing strategy for your online fitness business. That's why in this video I'm going to run through the importance of Reels and why, and also give you 10 principles for producing Reels. But before I dive in, if you're looking for more help and support to start and grow your online fitness business, then be sure to check the link in the description to see how we can help you. Okay, let's dive straight in. Reels are the hottest type of content on Instagram and Facebook right now, but let's be honest, they are a straight copy of TikToks. Facebook as a company has a bit of a track record when it comes to taking features from its rivals or its competitors and adding it back to their platform to really gain back attention. They did it way back when Snapchat swept the nation and they added stories and filters to Instagram and Facebook. And now with TikTok stealing so much attention from them, they've added Reels to Facebook and Instagram. And there's usually a pattern with new features on Facebook or Instagram, and that is they release them to beta testers, so certain countries around the world, and then they release them to everyone. So we saw the introduction of Reels to Instagram first, and then more recently they've added them to Facebook as well. And the most important element to new features is really Facebook will look to crank up that organic delivery percentage so that more users adopt these new features, which means the algorithm shifts, and then all of a sudden Reels are absolutely everywhere. They're in your feed, they're on your stories, they're in your Discover page, and you just can't get away from them. So if you want to juice up the algorithm, get more people to your profile and grow your following, get more engagement and start more conversations, then you should be creating Reels. Failing to use the Reels feature for your online fitness business will mean you'll lose massive amounts of free attention. So I would highly recommend adding Reels to your marketing strategy alongside what you're already doing. So let's unpack some success principles when it comes to creating Reels. You want to think about when your current audience is going to be online so that you can grab the attention and get as much engagement so that your reel can jump onto that algorithm. We really need to play along with that algorithm, and I'm sure I don't need to tell you by now, but the more views, likes and engagement you get on your reel, the further it will reach. So if your audience mainly works, say, a 9 to 5, maybe you want to post your reels at lunchtime when they're on their lunch break, and then post it later in the evening when they're at home scrolling through their apps. Start posting them at key times and then play around with these times and review the data. See when you're getting the most engagement and start posting consistently at those times. With short form video content like Reels, you really want to grab the user's attention very, very quickly. So you need to use the first few seconds to hook them in, hook their attention. And there are a few ways you can do this with Reels. The first one is using a really juicy hook. Maybe you use a statement or something controversial that really grabs their attention in the first few seconds and they want to watch on further to see what the result is or see what you say. Another way is to grab their attention with text on the screen, and I'm sure you've seen these type of Reels, but it can really pop and grab your attention quite quickly, and then that user might want to turn the sound on and listen to your reel. To create good and engaging Reels for your online fitness business, you want to look at other people out in the market. We want to look at viral trends and what they're creating to see if we can recreate it in our own way. I'm sure you've seen reel trends sweep the nation, and there's no reason why you can't take that reel and create your own version of it. Obviously, put your own spin on it. Another way is try and find trending sounds or trending tracks and use them on your reels so you can save them and then use them going forward on any reels that you create. If you find trending music or trending tracks, there's more chance of more people seeing your reel, as they may search that trending track and look for other reels, and you may come up in those search terms. There's lots of different ways of recording reels, whether that's a straight selfie talking video or recording on a professional camera like this, or whether it's creating your own voiceovers or using auto-generated voiceovers. What I recommend is find a style that works for you and your brand, and try not be someone that you're not just for organic attention. It will be really hard to maintain the production of this content if it's not coming from a genuine place. So find a style that works for you and start creating reels consistently. The great thing about shooting short form video content like reels and TikToks is they can form a multi-platform marketing strategy. You could create one reel and then post it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even YouTube Shorts. There is one caveat with this though. I would highly recommend downloading the original video and uploading it natively to each platform, because you don't really want to have that TikTok logo or that Shorts logo if you're uploading it to Instagram, because I'm sure Instagram will absolutely bury it. You can also maximize the reach of your reels on Instagram by posting them in your reels area, on your profile, and in your stories. I highly recommend reposting reels, and what you need to do here is save all of your reels to your phone, so then in the future you can go back and look at which reels got the best engagement, and then you can repost them. Short form video content moves so fast, so if you have a reel that does really well and it gets lots of engagement, don't be afraid to post it again later in the month. We always want to be using hashtags with our content, obviously if the platform allows for it. For Reels, I highly recommend using 2 trending hashtags to see if you can get some of that trend engagement and really get onto the algorithm, get some virality. At the same time, I would use 2 more niche specific hashtags to see if you can really dominate that area and grab some attention on those hashtags. Next, try and find some consistency and rhythm when posting Reels. Like any organic marketing strategy, you're not going to get success overnight. It's not just going to blow up. You need to really stay consistent and keep going with that strategy. You need to be posting regularly with Reels, and you want to be testing all the time. So you want to test different topics, different hooks, different backgrounds, different music, and of course the different times that you post. Finally, don't drop everything that you're currently doing just to start posting Reels. Yes, there's currently a lot of attention going to short form video content like Reels and TikToks, but you don't want to stop what you're already doing in your organic marketing strategy. Really, it's about adding Reels to your strategy that you already have and stay consistent with it. So keep doing your lives, keep doing your feed posts, and keep doing your stories, and just add Reels to it. And once a new feature rolls out again, like Reels has, which I'm pretty sure it will, you want to do exactly the same again. You will add that new feature to your strategy and continue what you're doing right now. If you want to learn more about how to start, grow, and scale your online fitness business, then the next thing you want to do is check out the video I've got linked up here on how to book more sales calls for your online personal training business. In this video, I talk about 5 strategies that could help you book 5 to 10 sales calls a week. So be sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.